Yeah. Actual black representing for Just Flex TV. Them we know what I go on, you understand?
And dancing Just Flex. Real flag boss, you know what Just Flex. Keep your
bless up all viewers and subs at Just Flex just a check in. And you know so we look a weekly survey, right? Well today Just Flex gonna do a survey. We're gonna do a survey upon spelling the word fridge, bomb and school. Well, you don't know the meaning. What is a school? An institution for educating children. A bomb, you don't know, a container of explosive. And fridge, the shorter term for refrigerator. So the fridge I'm talking about is a machine that keeps things cold. So viewers and subs, you don't know where Just Flex are going to do now. We just are going to head to the streets, try to get some young youths. Because you don't know them are the future. We won't even say tomorrow, but for the next decades to come. So, viewers and subs, when we want to do, just walk with Just Flex Zane, and we can go check out what going on around there. Up top, soon far. Yeah.
S
Mm-hmm.
C U H O O
You are the only man. Spell it again, my Jenna, make the crowd here.
C O.
Spell it again.
S C L H O L.
Spell it again, Jenna.
C S O L O O L.
Alright.
That is not correct.
Something for me. Spell school for me. Yeah.
S
Yeah.
C
Yeah.
O O
SCOO. Again. School.
S C O
Yeah.
O
Where you just spell first? Where you just spell before this?
S C O O S C L. No,
That is not correct.
Spell school for me.
S C A O O L.
Spell it again, my Jenna.
S C A O A L.
Yeah, hear me, you're old boy. You see how simple as you look, you're old, you know. Spell school again, make the people hear me, Jenna. Spell it again, make them hear, man.
S C A L.
That is not correct.
Spell fridge.
No, me not go work at fridge. Me not
Fridge.
Cool a C O O L. A cool, no?
Mm-hmm.
So me can't spell school S C O O L.
SCOOL.
That is not correct.
Spell school for me, juvenile.
C S
Yeah.
C H
Yeah.
O O L.
Alright, correct. Spell fridge.
Fridge. F-R-I-G.
Again, make them hear.
F-R-I-G.
Alright.
That is not correct.
Spell school for the people, them. Mm-hmm. Spell it again, loud, make them hear.
T-A-N.
Alright.
That is not correct.
H O O L.
Spell fridge.
F-R-I-D-G-E.
Spell bomb.
B-O-M-B.
Fridge. You're silent for me. Just two of the word them. Just try to say something. Something. Spell bomb.
What?
Bomb.
Bum.
Yeah. Don't know, just a forward back viewers and subs. I hope you enjoyed that video. And you don't know a weekly survey. So, my viewers and subs, you don't know, just make sure want to just like up that video and send it up to 1,000 likes. So we can just go do the work on a regular basis as well. We done said already from last week on the second upload. So here we go, my viewers and subs, you don't know. Just keep on sharing the video, like the video, share in the comment if you don't feel like the video, if you do go hard or whatever, but just share in the comments so I know what's up and the level where me really depend, right? So bless up everybody, peace. But me take a job from my split before me out. Good vibes, you know, I agree with me just done by. So bless up peeps, and we out, Jane.
And dancing just flex. Real flag boss, you know what just flex. Keep
Natural black representing for Just Flex TV. Them you know what I go on, you understand?